Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to make a collaborative playlist in Spotify. First, go to your library and find the playlist that you want to use. It has to be your own playlist and not a daily shuffle or anything like that. Now click on the playlist and right above the add songs option you can see a little person with a plus right next to it. And at the top of it, it should say invite collaborators. You can copy the link and send it to anybody that you want. Those people will be able to add songs and delete songs. You will also be able to see who joined and what songs they added. You can also make your playlist public or private. If you make it private, only people that you invite to it will be able to see it. But if it's public, anybody can find it when they search it up. If somebody joins your playlist, you'll be able to see them right below the title. You can click on it and you can see who is in it. You can also remove people from the playlist. And that's about all you need to know for collaborative playlists. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I'll see you guys next time.